Does meeting critical regulatory reporting and submission deadlines strain your team no matter how many hours or vendors you throw at it? Do you get the expected results with solutions that make your regulatory reporting and submission process seamless? CereCore's MEDITECH Regulatory Submissions Program is a full-service offering designed to include everything from setup to submissions on a hospital's behalf. We don't sell software. We use our legacy in-hospital operations and MEDITECH expertise to provide service options that reduce the costs and tactical burdens of regulatory submissions. We do all the heavy lifting, beginning with any setup needed for the MEDITECH Data Repository, the build-out of quality measure queries, delivery of dashboards, reports, and submitting on your behalf directly from your MEDITECH solution. Our approach using MEDITECH Data Repository, Microsoft SQL reporting services, or PowerBI results in cost savings. Gain confidence over your regulatory submission cycle. CereCore's record of 100% on-time complete submission and 100% program renewal stands for itself. Whether you need support with your entire regulatory submission cycle or a component, contact us about the options that give you value and certainty over quality measures data.